Welcome to our channel, Car Technology. Today we connect the dots, engineering, innovation and sustainability. Today we dive into ESG. What is ESG? Environmental, social and governance.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ahmad Zulkifli bin Sapri. My metric number is B1324100041. I'm from BMKA 1/2. Alright, I'm gonna talk about environmental effect. This is the example of shots EV is charging, and then solar power in manufacturing plants and the factories implanting renewable energy or power sources. Alright, first up, environment. The automotive industry is undergoing a green revolution. Take this electric vehicle. For example, zero tailpipe emission mean cleaner air for our cities, and every part of its design has sustainability in mind. From recycled material in its interior to energy efficient manufacturing, powered by solar and wind. This car is a symbol of a greener future. But the change doesn't stop at the car themselves. Leading manufacturers are rethinking the entire production process. Imagine factories that run entirely on renewable energy, with every stage of production designed to minimize waste. Even better production, often criticized for its environmental impact, is evolving, with companies investing in recycling technologies to give batteries a second life and reduce resources extraction. Display of a vehicle emission comparison between internal combustion energy engines, which is ICE, and EVs. Follow the color guide in the chart, and as you can see, the gas power, which is for example, we use Toyota Camry, carry 68 tons of carbon compared to electric vehicle, which is for example, we use Tesla Model 3, carry only 15 tons of carbon. It's quite give a bit different of comparison. Did you know by 2035, over 20 countries including the UK, Canada and Japan plan to ban the sale of internal combustion engines, ICE cars. Norway is the leading in the charge, aiming to achieve this goal as early as 2025. This initiative could prevent millions of tons of carbon dioxide emission annually, pushing us closer to a cleaner, healthier planet. Together, this step shows that the shift to sustainable transportation isn't just a possibility, and it's happening now.
So, Assalamualaikum. My name is Dennis Mesoso Sarizan. For this segment, I will discuss about ESG awareness in the automotive industry. Specifically, I will focus on social aspect. So, let's dive into it. Social focus. The social focus of ESG in the automotive industry is comprehensive. It has 2 points. So, the first point is labor practice and workers' right. The second point is diversity, equity, and inclusion, also known as DEI. So, labor practice and workers' right remains a top priority. So, the first point is training and upskilling. Training programs are being introduced by the industry to prepare employees for the transition to electric and autonomous vehicles. Second point is employee health and safety. The industry has adopted rigorous safety measures to reduce risk, particularly in manufacturing environment, so such as regular health checkup, ergonomic workspace, and comprehensive safety training session. And finally, diversity, equity, and inclusion, also known as DEI, are now critical pillars of the automotive industry. So companies are actively promoting gender equality, racial and ethnic diversity, and support for underrepresented groups. Leadership teams are evolving to reflect inclusivity, ensuring fair opportunities at every level. Moreover, there is a growing push for equity in pay and the empowerment of marginalized demographic. So that's all for me. Thanks for listening, and I hope you guys understand.
Okay, my name is Kuhan Ravindran, and okay, let's discuss about governance, which is building trust and also responsibility. So let's see. In governance in the automotive industry, we can see in five things, which is building trust and transparency. Second thing is internal supply chain. The third thing is diverse leadership, and the fourth thing is accountability, and the fifth is driving responsibility. So, in governance, trust and transparency matters. Automotive companies are adopting robust governance practices to ensure their supply chains are internal, their leadership is diverse, and they're accountable to both consumers and also stakeholders. This is just not about driving innovation, but it also about driving responsibility. That's all. Thank you. Okay, welcome again. For HVAC system problems that are related to ESG, the first thing is one of the issues is refrigerant emissions. So let's see. Okay, obviously we know the refrigerant we are using is for cooling the HVAC system in the car, but the refrigerant we are using can cause for uh, global warming. So, as we can see, releasing 1 kg of this gas R134A can cause it's equivalent to releasing 1,300 kilogram of carbon dioxide into atmosphere. But nowadays they are still got old cars which are using R12. So this can cause more to the global warming than the current latest refrigerant. So even this gas can cause over 1,300 global warming potential. So this is playing the major issues in according to the impact. So yeah, thank you.
Hello, today I want to talk about the HVAC system problem related to ESG, which is the energy consumption challenges in EV and hybrid. The second issue revolves around energy consumption, particularly in electric vehicle and hybrid. Unlike conventional vehicles that use engine heat for cabin warmth, EVs rely on electric heating and cooling system. For the second point is the extreme temperature, which is cut to a close-up of the vehicle dashboard showing a 30% range drop. This means in extreme temperature, an EV range can drop by up to 30%. Why? Because the hatchback system work over time to maintain cabin comfort. For the third point is impact on energy and emission. This leads to higher energy demand, increasing charging frequency in areas relying on non-renewable electricity. This indirectly raises cabin emission. For the fourth point is hybrid and efficiency. For hybrid, additionally hatchback load often cause the combustion engine to run more frequently, reducing fuel efficiency and negating its environmental benefits. Uh, for the inefficient hatchback system reduce the sustainability advantage of EV and hybrid, making energy efficient solution and crucial area focus. Thank you. That's all for me.
My name Muhammad Azani bin Muhammad Sabri. I'm talking about low global warming potential refrigerant for hatchback. Okay, next, traditional vehicle refrigerants such as R134A have a high global warming potential (GWP), contributing significantly to greenhouse gas emission. In response, automakers are transitioning to refrigerants like R1234YF, which have a GWP of less than 1, a dramatic reduction compared to R134A GWP of 1,430. Next, BMW 9 and sustainability. The BMW 9 is a prime example of this shift. Designed with sustainability in mind, by adopting R1234YF, it not only lower an environmental impact of its HVAC system, but also adheres to stricter environmental regulation such as the EU Mobile Air Conditioning (MAC) Directive. Broader ESG implication: the adopting of low GWP refrigerants support automakers in meeting ESG, environmental, social and governance goals by reducing direct emissions and improving long-term climate resilience.
Okay, I will continue. My name is Aiduwafi bin Asni. My matric number B1324156. Heating, ventilation and air conditioning (HVAC) system in electric vehicle are critical, as they directly affect energy consumption and by extension, the vehicle's driving range. Automakers are deploying innovative HVAC technologies to address this challenge. Heat pump technology in the Nissan Leaf. The Nissan Leaf heat pump system recycles ambient heat and excess heat from vehicle components to warm the cabin, requiring less energy than conventional resistive heating system. This efficient system ensures passengers remain comfortable without significantly impacting the vehicle's range, a crucial factor for EV adoption. Next, Tesla Intelligent Hatchback Management. Tesla goes a step further with advanced software-driven hatchback solution. Features like cabin preconditioning, intelligent temperature regulation, and zone-specific climate control adapt dynamically to cabin conditions. Optimizing energy efficiency. Additionally, Tesla models integrate with the vehicle's larger thermal management system, ensuring optimal performance across the battery and cabin. Extended benefits. Beyond energy savings, this system reduces battery strain, contribute to longer battery lifespans, and enhance overall customer satisfaction by maintaining comfort in extreme temperature. That's all from me. Thank you.
And that's all. Thank you.